Most roofing contractors don't lose money because of bad work. They lose money because of slow decisions, messy sales processes, and the wrong software choice. And here's the truth no one tells you. The best software is not universal. It depends on how your roofing business actually operates every day. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison between Leap software and AccuLynx, so you can decide which one is better for your business. Let's get straight into it. Both tools are used in the roofing industry, but they are designed for different parts of your business. Leap focuses on sales and estimating. AccuLynx focuses on full business and job management. Now here's where it gets interesting. Choosing between them is not about features. It is about where your biggest bottleneck is right now. Let's break it down. First, Leap. Leap is built for speed in sales. It helps contractors create estimates quickly, present options to homeowners, and close deals faster. It is especially powerful during in-home sales where timing matters. So if Alex is a roofing sales rep meeting homeowners every day, Leap helps him turn conversations into signed contracts before the customer compares other quotes. But here's the problem. Leap is not designed to manage your entire production workflow in detail. It focuses more on the front end of the sales process. Now let's talk about AccuLynx. AccuLynx is a full roofing management system. It handles leads, scheduling, job tracking, production, communication, and reporting in one platform. It is designed to run your entire roofing operation. So if Jake runs a roofing company with multiple crews, AccuLynx helps him keep every job organized from the first call to final payment. Now here's where it gets interesting. AccuLynx is about structure and control, while Leap is about speed and closing deals. Let's make it even simpler. Leap helps you win more jobs. AccuLynx helps you manage those jobs efficiently after you win them. But here's the key mistake most contractors make. They try to pick one tool to solve every problem in their business. That rarely works. Now here's a real-world way to think about it. If your biggest problem is not closing enough deals, Leap can improve your sales process. If your biggest problem is losing track of jobs, delays, or communication issues, AccuLynx is stronger. Some larger companies even use both together. Leap for sales and AccuLynx for operations. So to wrap it up, Leap is best for speeding up sales and improving close rates. AccuLynx is best for running your roofing business from start to finish with structure and organization. If you understand this difference, you stop choosing software based on hype and start choosing based on your real bottleneck. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business stage so I can suggest the right setup for you. And subscribe for more simple software comparisons that help you grow smarter.